get going.
Okay. Okay, we're done.
I know, but her breath, dogs have enzymes in their mouth, and they're probably safer than most.
Pay no attention to the way I look. Pay attention to my child. Watch. You ready?
No, dogs, they clean themselves. That's the problem, is they lick themselves.
I'm gonna get another kiss. Oh. I promised earlier she was laughing and having fun. Let's try it one more time. Hey.
Come out and tell me.